morning, my dear students, and welcome back to Innovative Science Tutorials. Students, in the previous class, we started out with the topic sexual reproduction, and we have learnt in detail about the structure of ovum and sperm, which are the gametes of the male and female respectively. And today we are going to study in detail the female reproductive system. So let us start. Children, the female reproductive system is composed of two types of parts. What are these parts? These are essential organs, okay, and accessory organs. What are they? I am writing in short. These are essential organs and non-essential organs. So, as the name indicates, the essential means what? Primary, without which the reproductive system of female will fail to work. Okay, so that is why the name essential organs. Now, in female reproductive system, which are the essential organs? Children, the essential organs of a female reproductive system are a pair of ovaries, one on the left and the other on the right. These are a pair of ovaries, okay, and they are the primary sex organ, also known as the female gonads. Why so? Because they produce the female gamete, which is known as the ovum. Plural is ova. Next is accessory organs of the female reproductive system or accessory parts of the female reproductive system. As the word accessory itself is indicating, children, these parts are non-essential. Means suppose one or the other part is having any type of deformity, little bit, not a lot, then it is manageable. But without the essential organs, it is not possible for the reproductive system of a female to work. In other words, the female becomes infertile if the ovaries, which are the essential organs, they do not perform properly, they do not function properly. So let us see now which are the accessory organs in a female reproductive system. The first accessory organ is what, children? It is the uterus. What it is, children? It is the uterus. Wait, I am highlighting this one. So this is the uterus region. Accessory part or accessory organ number 1. Next accessory part of the female reproductive system is what? It is a pair of tube-like structures which are known as the fallopian tubes or the oviducts. Again, one on each side, one on the left and the other on the right side. Further, the fallopian tube is divided into 3 parts, children. These parts I will teach you in later part of the class. For the time being, first accessory part, uterus. Second accessory part, a pair of fallopian tubes. Next we have, children, the third accessory part, that is the vagina of the female reproductive system. And in higher classes you will learn about the vulva which surrounds the vagina and the various glands. For standard 8, you have to learn about the essential organs, that is a pair of ovaries, and the accessory organs include a uterus, a pair of fallopian tube and vagina. Okay, so these are the various parts. Now let us look into the detail of each and every part of the female reproductive system. Students, first of all, will consider the primary reproductive organ, that is a pair of ovaries. Children, ovaries are two round or spherical whitish bodies, okay, and where are they present? They are present within the lower half of the abdomen. So ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है? पूरा का पूरा फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव जो सिस्टम होता है वो पूरा का पूरा लोअर एब्डोमेन में प्रेजेंट रहता है. लोअर एब्डोमेन को ही हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? लोअर हाफ ऑफ द एब्डोमेन. ठीक है, तो ये ओवरीज, क्योंकि ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के ही पार्ट है फीमेल के, तो इनको भी हम क्या बोलेंगे? इनका लोकेशन क्या है? लोअर हाफ ऑफ द एब्डोमेन. So they are roughly spherical or rounded, whitish in color, okay, and one on each side. What is their function beta? Since they are the primary sex organ, तो कोई भी primary sex organ हो, चाहे वो मेल का हो या वो फीमेल का हो, उसका मेन फंक्शन होगा रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में. क्या होगा फंक्शन? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गैमेट, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गैमेट. तो क्योंकि ओवरीज क्या है? फीमेल का गोनाड है, तो इसका फंक्शन क्या होगा? फीमेल गैमेट को प्रोड्यूस करना. तो फीमेल गैमेट का नाम क्या होता है? फीमेल गैमेट इज द ओवम, प्लूरल इज ova. So it will produce what beta? It will produce the ovum or ova, which are the female gamete, okay, which is the female gamete. Next is what children? Next to is the first accessory organ, that is called what? That is called the uterus. Now you will ask me, teacher, what is uterus? Beta, this pear-shaped structure or pear-shaped part of the female reproductive system is known as what? Is known as the uterus. Actually, uterus is a hollow, inverted means ulta, pear-shaped muscular organ, and where it is found beta? It is found in the pelvic cavity. When I say pelvic cavity, what do I mean? I mean the area within the pelvic girdle. If you have studied the chapter little bit also in your lower grade, that is the chapter skeletal system, locomotion and movement, that chapter, you must be knowing about the pelvic area, okay, which includes all the organs situated in the lower abdomen. So that is what is your pelvic region enclosed within the pelvic girdle or the pelvic area. So the uterus is what? It is a hollow inverted pear-shaped muscular organ which is located in the pelvic region of the body, and where? In between the urinary bladder and the rectum. You all know very well what is the urinary bladder. You can see in this diagram beta, this is the urinary bladder, but this is, we are not referring to this diagram now because this is the male reproductive system. Just I am showing you the bladder. So in case of female, the female reproductive, the uterus is located in between the urinary bladder and what children? And the rectum. Now children, what is the function of uterus? See, uterus is the site of implantation. In order to understand this, you must understand fertilization and formation of zygote, which I have explained in the previous class. So it will be better those who did not see that video or attend the live class, please go through the video, okay, once, then it will be more clear to you. See children, after the process of fertilization, the first cell zygote is formed, isn't it? This zygote further divides. The zygote further divides into what? Divides means it undergoes rapid cell division and forms the embryo. मतलब क्या? I am showing you here. Zygote to what? Zygote to embryo, और एम्ब्रायो फिर बहुत ज़्यादा सेल डिवीजन करेगा, बहुत रैपिड, और हर एक सेल क्या करेगा? टिश्यू बनाएगा. वो टिश्यू एक टारगेट ऑर्गन बनाएगा, हैंड बनाए, लेग बनाए, आई बनाए, कोई भी पार्ट बनाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल डिफरेंशिएशन, है ना. सो एम्ब्रायो बिकम्स द फीटस, और यही फीटस जब डिलीवर होके अर्थ में आ जाता है, बाहर आ जाता है मदर के बॉडी से, तो हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल इट इन्फेंट, बेबी, ठीक है. लेकिन सबसे पहले क्या था? फर्स्ट सेल zygote undergo cell division, rapid cell division, and it became the embryo. The embryo fixes itself where? Here the story ends, here on the wall of the uterus, and this process of fixing of the embryo on the wall of the uterus is called implantation. So what is the function of uterus children? You got it right now children. The function of uterus is implantation. It is the site of implantation. I hope that you have understood this now very clearly. Now what you can see in the uterus, in the diagram children, you can see the upper part of the uterus, it is called the uterine fundus, okay, and this is the endometrial region, okay. So this has got three regions, okay, endometrium, then myometrium, and perimetrium, the outer one. So this whole area of the whole wall of the this thing, uterus, is divided into 3 segments or 3 zones or 3 sections. The outer one is perimetrium, middle one is the myometrium, and the inner one which sets itself every 28 days. Okay, means after every 28 days, that is called the menstrual cycle. This is the layer beta, the endometrium layer, that whose tissues undergoes damage, injury, whatever you say, okay, and the female reproductive system undergoes the menstrual phase. So again, that is a detailed topic we will do in a separate class, children. Now next to uterus is what, children? Next to uterus is a pair of oviducts. But before teaching that, let me erase the screen. Okay, some part only I am going to erase, not all, because I need some of them. This area, okay, let me erase so that you understand everything properly. Now children, next accessory part is what? Next accessory part is the fallopian tube. You can see in the diagram, children, on both the sides there is a pair of fallopian tube. Okay, now one on the left and other on the right. Let us see the details of each fallopian tube. Each fallopian tube is what, children? It is a narrow, muscular, long pipe or duct-like structure which starts from the ovary and goes till the uterus. That means it is the connection or link between the ovary and the uterus. So this is the function actually. Not only this fallopian tube is the site of fertilization. When the egg releases from the ovary and tries to reach this area, before that, here somewhere, if a sperm is present, means many sperms are actually present, children. If a sperm is capable of fusing with this ovum that is released from the ovary and through this part of the oviduct reaches this site, then fertilization occurs here in this part of the fallopian tube. Okay, so what is the function of fallopian tube? It is the site of fertilization. And the 3 parts, now let us see the 3 parts of the fallopian tube. The first part is the infundibulum, which is also known as the fimbriae. What are these, beta? These are the finger-like projections, okay, in which you can see the ovaries, each ovary on each side is attached. Next to the infundibulum is the ampular region, which is known as the ampulla, okay, and it is in the form of a slight swollen type of structure is there, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा फुला हुआ दिखता है. और उसके बाद सबसे लास्ट वाला जो पार्ट है जो कि डायरेक्ट यूटेरस के कांटेक्ट में है, वो है एस्थेमस. और यहीं पे क्या होता है? यहीं पे होता है एक्चुअली फर्टिलाइजेशन, दैट इज द फ्यूजन ऑफ द मेल sperm and female ovum. With this we completed the fallopian tube. So there is a pair of fallopian tubes on each side that connect the respective ovary of each side with the uterus. Okay, so it is a passage for the egg actually, है ना? So once the egg gets fertilized here in this region, it becomes a zygote, and then next it keeps on dividing, forms the embryo, reaches the uterus region and fixes itself or implant itself on the wall of the uterus. Next accessory organ is what, beta? Next accessory organ is the vagina. Students, vagina is the area of the female reproductive system which opens to outside, okay, and what it is? It is long muscular tube, children. As I told, it opens to outside, and you refer this diagram, beta, here, this one. Here you can clearly understand that vagina is a narrow, long muscular structure, okay. It is in the form of a tube, and it is the region which receives the male penis during the process of copulation, and it is the actual part where the semen is deposited. I hope you all are understanding what I am saying. And what is the location? If I ask you what is the location of vagina, children, then what you will say? Vagina is located between the rectum and urethra. I hope that is clear, children. Vagina is present in between the rectum and urethra. And not only that, children, vaginal opening can be clearly seen, okay? It is above the it is below the urethral opening actually, okay, in the region of the vulva.